Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel Life Crafters Academy. Today, we're diving into a sensitive but important topic: overcoming infidelity and rebuilding love affairs. Infidelity can be devastating, but it's possible to heal and rebuild trust. Let's get started. Number 1. Acknowledging the pain. First and foremost, acknowledge the pain. It's essential for both partners to express their feelings and understand the emotional impact of infidelity. Number 2. Communication and transparency. Effective communication is key. Discuss what led to the infidelity and the underlying issues. Transparency and honesty are crucial for rebuilding trust. Number 3. Seeking professional help. Consider seeking the help of a therapist or counselor. A trained professional can guide you through the healing process and provide valuable insights. Number 4. Setting new boundaries. Setting clear boundaries is essential. Define what is acceptable and what isn't to prevent future issues and create a sense of safety. Number 5. Rebuilding intimacy. Rebuilding intimacy takes time. Be patient with one another and work on rediscovering the emotional and physical connection. Number 6. Self-care and self-reflection. Don't forget self-care. Take time to reflect on your own needs and feelings during this challenging period. Number 7. Rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust is a gradual process. Trust your instincts and progress, but always verify as needed. Number 8. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is a powerful tool. It doesn't mean forgetting, but it's about releasing the weight of the past and moving forward. Number 9. Moving on together. Finally, focus on the future. Understand that infidelity doesn't have to define your relationship. You can move forward together. And there you have it. Steps to overcoming infidelity and rebuilding love affairs. Remember, it's a challenging journey, but it's possible to heal and come out stronger on the other side. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.